Tanya, and my seminar topic is about iris scanning. My table of contents are introduction, objective, area of the project, methodology, benefits of the society, and references. Introduction. In today's information age, it is not difficult to collect data about an individual and use that information to exercise control over the individual. Individuals generally do not want others to have personal information about them unless they decide to reveal it. Conventional methods of identification based on possessions of ID cards or exclusive knowledge like social security number or a password are not altogether reliable, such that an unauthorized user may be able to break into an account with little effort. Since the persons to be identified should be physically present at the point of identification, biometric techniques gives high security for the sensitive information stored in mainframes. Objective of the seminar on iris recognition is automated mechanism that scans and captures a digital or analog image, compression, processing, storage and comparison of image with the stored data, interfaces with application systems. Area of the project. A biometric system can be divided into two stages, the enrollment module and the identification module. The enrollment module is possible for training the system to identify a given person. During an enrollment stage, a biometric sensor scans the person's physiognomy to create a digital representation. The identification module is responsible for recognizing the person during the identification stage. Methodology. Iris identification technology is tremendously accurate biometric. Iris recognition leverages the unique features of the human iris to provide an unmatched identification technology. So accurate are the algorithms used in iris recognition that the entire planet could be enrolled in an iris database with only a small chance of false of acceptance or false rejection. The technology addresses the FTE failure to enroll problems which lessen the effectiveness of other biometrics. Only the iris recognition technology can be used effectively and efficiently in large scale identification implementations. The iris is a protective internal organ of the eye. It is easily visible from yards away as a colored disc. It is the only internal organ of the body normally visible externally. It is a thin diaphragm stretching across the anterior portion of the eye and supported by lens. Benefits of the society. Extremely data rich physical structure, about 400 identifying features. Genetic independence, no two eyes are the same. Stability over time. Its inherent isolation and protection from the external environment. References. Dogma, how iris recognition works. Thank you.